In today's digital age, subscriptions have become a ubiquitous part of our lives. From streaming services and fitness apps to meal kits and software tools, subscriptions promise convenience and access to the best content and services. However, this growing trend can also lead to a significant financial drain if not managed carefully. In this video, we'll explore how subscriptions keep you broke and provide tips on how to regain control of your finances. Number 1. The hidden costs of subscriptions. Subscriptions often appear affordable at first glance. A few dollars a month for a streaming service or a fitness app seems like a small price to pay for unlimited access. However, these costs can quickly add up when you subscribe to multiple services. The problem lies in the cumulative effect. $10 here and $15 there can easily turn into hundreds of dollars each month without you even realizing it. Moreover, the convenience of automatic payments can lead to complacency. You might forget about a subscription you rarely use, but the charges continue to drain your bank account. This passive spending can erode your financial health over time, leaving you with less money for savings, investments, or essential expenses. Number 2, the subscription trap. Companies design subscription models to be enticing and easy to join but challenging to cancel. Free trials often convert to paid plans automatically, and cancellation processes can be cumbersome, requiring you to jump through hoops. This strategy ensures that customers remain subscribed longer than they intend to, paying for services they may not even use. Additionally, the psychology behind subscriptions plays a significant role. The low monthly fee feels less impactful than a large one-time purchase, encouraging consumers to sign up for more services. However, this perception is deceptive. Over time, these small fees accumulate, creating a substantial financial burden. Number 3, lifestyle inflation and subscriptions. Subscriptions contribute to lifestyle inflation, where increased income leads to higher spending rather than saving. As you earn more, you might justify adding more subscriptions to your budget, believing you can afford them. However, this mindset prevents you from building wealth and achieving financial independence. For example, subscribing to multiple streaming platforms, meal kits, fitness apps, and premium software can inflate your monthly expenses significantly. While each service enhances your lifestyle in small ways, together, they divert funds from more important financial goals like paying off debt, saving for a house, or investing for retirement. Number 4, the illusion of value. Subscriptions often promise value by offering exclusive content, convenience, or personalized experiences. While these benefits can be real, it's essential to evaluate whether they justify the cost. For instance, if you're paying for multiple streaming services but only watch a few shows regularly, you're not getting full value from your subscriptions. Similarly, premium subscriptions for news, apps, or software may offer additional features, but are they necessary for your needs? Often, free or cheaper alternatives can provide similar value. The key is to be critical of the perceived value and assess whether the benefits align with your usage and financial priorities. Number 5, the impact of inflation and economic uncertainty. In the current economic climate, marked by rising inflation and economic uncertainty, managing finances has become more crucial than ever. Inflation affects the cost of living, making everyday expenses more expensive. This economic pressure makes it even more important to scrutinize discretionary spending, such as subscriptions. While a few dollars here and there might have been manageable in a stable economy, in times of economic strain, these small costs can contribute significantly to financial stress. Number 6, regaining control over subscriptions. To regain control of your finances, start by auditing your subscriptions. List all your active subscriptions and their costs. This exercise helps you understand the total amount you're spending each month. Be thorough, including annual subscriptions that may not be top of mind. For each subscription, consider how often you use the service and whether it provides sufficient value. Cancel any subscriptions you rarely use or those that don't justify the cost. Explore free or cheaper alternatives that can offer similar benefits. For example, public libraries offer access to ebooks, audiobooks, and online courses, which can replace paid services. Number 7, budgeting for subscriptions. Allocate a specific budget for subscriptions each month. This limit forces you to prioritize the services that matter most and avoid impulsive signups. Utilize apps and tools that track your subscriptions and alert you to upcoming payments. These tools help you stay on top of your spending and avoid surprise charges. Contact service providers to negotiate better rates or downgrade to cheaper plans. Many companies offer discounts to retain customers, especially if you're considering cancellation. Conduct an annual review of your subscriptions to ensure they still align with your needs and financial goals. Cancel any that no longer serve you or find more cost-effective options. Number 8, avoiding new subscription offers. While subscriptions can indeed be convenient, they often turn into financial traps if not managed carefully. This is why it's crucial to take proactive steps to avoid falling into the subscription trap. One of the first steps in doing this is to be mindful of new subscription offers. Many companies lure customers with attractive introductory offers that seem too good to pass up. However, once the introductory period ends, the regular subscription fee kicks in, which can be significantly higher. Always read the fine print and be aware of when the introductory period ends. Number 9, consolidating similar services. Another key aspect is to avoid subscribing to multiple similar services. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and sign up for several streaming services, fitness apps, or meal kits, but do you really need them all? Evaluate which service you use the most and cancel the redundant ones. This not only saves money, but also helps declutter your digital life. Number 10, setting renewal reminders. It's also important to set reminders for subscription renewals. Automatic renewals are convenient, but they can also lead to unnoticed charges. Set calendar reminders a few days before the renewal date to reassess whether you still need the service. This gives you time to cancel before being charged for another period. Number 11, sharing subscriptions. Utilizing family plans and sharing subscriptions with family or friends can also help cut costs. Many services offer family plans that provide the same benefits at a lower per-person cost. By sharing these plans, you can enjoy the service while splitting the cost, making it more affordable for everyone involved. Number 12, taking advantage of discounts. Additionally, take advantage of student or military discounts if you are eligible. Many subscription services offer significant discounts for students, military personnel, and even seniors. Always check for these discounts before subscribing, as they can provide substantial savings. Number 13, reviewing bank statements. Incorporating these strategies into your financial habits can make a significant difference in how subscriptions impact your budget. By being proactive and mindful about your subscriptions, you can enjoy the benefits they offer without falling into financial traps. Remember, every dollar saved from unnecessary subscriptions is a dollar that can be invested in your future. Number 14, subscription detox periods. It's also wise to periodically review your bank statements for any subscription charges you might have overlooked. Sometimes, subscriptions you thought were canceled might still be charging you, or there might be services you forgot you subscribed to. Regularly reviewing your statements helps catch these charges early, allowing you to take action before they accumulate.